Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Pexda Product Hunting Tool. My user experience review. Pexda Product Hunting Tool is designed to help e-commerce entrepreneurs, dropshippers, and marketers discover winning products to sell online. It essentially scours the internet for trending products, analyzes their performance, and provides valuable data like engagement, sales estimates, and advertising information. Key features seem to include product discovery filters, Facebook ad spy tools, and competitor analysis. Their website provides details on their different subscription plans. They emphasize ease of use and highlight their curated product database, promising access to high-potential products. While pricing details are available on their website, it's worth comparing them to similar product research tools to understand the value proposition. They seem to leverage data analytics and trend forecasting to identify successful product niches. Availability depends on the subscription plan you choose. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Pexda. Getting started was pretty straightforward. I signed up for the trial and the onboarding process guided me through the key features. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to navigate through different product categories and filter results based on various criteria like price, engagement, and saturation. I particularly appreciated the Facebook ads integration, which allowed me to see how competitors were marketing similar products. In terms of performance, the search function was quick and responsive, delivering a decent number of results. I was really impressed by how visually appealing the product data was presented, with charts and graphs highlighting key trends. The standout feature for me was definitely the product inspector, which provided in-depth analytics for specific products, including Facebook ad examples and engagement metrics. I had a quick question about filtering options and their support responded within a day via email, which was helpful. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, which would have been convenient for on-the-go research. It also took me a little while to get used to the advanced filtering options, as there are quite a few parameters to consider. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Pexda. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs for product research and provided valuable insights for my e-commerce business. That's my overview of Pexda Product Hunting Tool. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.